Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. First and foremost, I want to give thanks to all my subscribers na sumuporta sa aking YouTube channel. Sa episode na to, sasagutin po natin ang katanungan ng isa nating subscriber. Shout out po kay Sir Edward. And ito po ang tanong niya sa aking video kung paano mag-renew ng OWWA membership online. Ang sabi niya po, paano magbayad ma'am? Wala kami account number sa land bank. Maraming salamat po Sir Edward sa pag-subscribe sa aking channel at ang video na to ay para sa'yo. Okay po sir, so to answer your question, if we have no banknet account or land bank account, we have no choice but to pay OWWA membership or OWWA renewal through cash, and we can only do that by going to POEA or embassy. So first, let me talk about the requirements for OWWA membership or OWWA renewal. First is that you must have Polo verified contract. So meron pa akong tutorial on how to verify your contract, and I will put the link of that video in the description box below. Second, you must have original passport and visa, and its validity should be more than 90 days. So, kailangan nyo po mag-photocopy niyan para ibigay dun sa embassy upon renewal or upon your membership. Next, an OFW must be actively and continuously working. OFW must present a certification from the company or employer stating that he or she is not included in the list of employees due for termination, terminated, cancelled, or resigned. And you can only renew your OWWA or you can only apply for OWWA membership through personal appearance. And if you're living in UAE, you have to pay exact amount of 92 dirhams only. So ito po yung sample ng certificate na ni-release ng Polo Dubai. So, kailangan po ng official letterhead, and it says here that this is to certify that Mr. or Miss, your name, is currently working in the capacity of with the name of the company and is not included in the termination, cancelled, resigned list of the company. This information is based on the latest record of the company. Then there will be a certification of official representative of the company and the name and signature of the person, position, contact number, email address, and mobile number. Who are not qualified for OWWA membership? Those OFWs that are for termination, terminated, for cancellation, cancelled, resigned, or no work, no pay. So, let's continue to the process on how to book for OWWA membership or OWWA renewal. Kasi po dahil sa COVID, before going to the embassy, you must book an appointment through their website. It is very important to note that the Philippine Consulate General will strictly observe no appointment, no service policy. So yun po yung nakalagay sa kanilang website. Clients will only be allowed to enter Polo premises at the time of their scheduled appointment. No companions will be allowed to enter Polo. Clients with confirmed appointment are required to present appointment confirmation and ID. Please ensure that your requirements are complete and in order. Incomplete requirements will not be processed. Okay, so if you're living in Abu Dhabi, you have to go to the Polo Abu Dhabi website, which is poloabudhabi.weebly.com. Then, just scroll it down. Then, click Contract Verification. Then after that, you have to scroll the page. Then, you have to click the link for Book an Appointment. And so there is an instruction here. Exemption of verification of employment contract. For OWWA membership we already have a verified or employment contract and working with the same company, you can request for the schedule of appointment for renewal of membership in this email. So that's abudhabi.owamembership@yahoo.com. So kung meron na po kayong verified employment contract, you just have to send an email to them for the renewal. If not, you have to undergo the contract verification appointment. And as I've mentioned before, meron pa akong tutorial about dyan. And nasa baba po yung link for your reference. You have to go to polodubaiportal.org/appointments. So, ito po yung lalabas. Okay? Just scroll it down. Then you will see this Polo Services Appointment, OWWA Membership, and Pag-ibig Services. So, you just have to scroll this and choose OWWA Membership. Then select the date of your preference and the time as well. You have to put your name and email, then accept terms and conditions, put the security code, and submit. They have also the link for the verification of employment documents here. So basically that's it. Upon completing all the requirements, you have to prepare your cash, which is 92 dirhams, then book an appointment for the renewal of your OWWA. Sana po nasagot ko po yung katanungan niyo, Sir Edward, and thank you very much for watching. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe in my YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you very much. Bye!